Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix SQL Server error here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step we need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for PowerShell. The moment you've typed that, a system called Windows PowerShell will appear. Please go with Run as Administrator. So wait until your user account control will ask you to say yes. Then go with yes so that you'd be able to give permission and running your PowerShell as administrator. Okay? Now, once you're here with the Windows PowerShell, you need to type this long command. Okay? You just have to type this long command. Okay? Don't worry also because I'll be including this in the description box below since it's a pretty long command. You might type a wrong one or a wrong key. Okay? Just have to paste it here. Okay? And then once you have the pasted it, you need to proceed on pasting the second. Okay? Have to copy the second first and then control C to copy. Highlight, then control C and then paste it here. Do a right click here at this area and then paste. Okay. And then the moment you have pasted it, just have to click on enter. Okay. And the moment you click on it, just have to wait until it will be done. Once you're done, you need to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.